Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows update error code 0x80070012. So how can fix the Windows 10 error code? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a services and go to your services. Find out a Windows update, open a Windows update services, click on a select a automatic, click on start the service, click on apply, OK, and restart the services. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in this start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your update and security, go to your troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, and after that click on a Windows update and run the troubleshooter. After completing that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After that, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is ren space c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is ren run c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catro 2 2 space catro 2.old and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type open any browser and go to any search engine and type a download Windows 10. Go to your first link microsoft.com and click on a download now. Click on save button and open a downloaded. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete this process. And after completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.